Welcome! Today we explore a topic that impacts everyone from Wall Street to your local grocery store: the economic recession and its effects. A recession isn't just a bad day in the market. It is a significant decline in economic activity spreading across the entire nation. The common rule of thumb is 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth in the gross domestic product, or GDP, signifying a real downturn. As the economy begins to cool, the most visible signs often appear in the labor market, affecting millions of workers and their families. When businesses face shrinking profits, they often scale back operations. You might start seeing closed or for lease signs on local storefronts. This leads to rising unemployment rates. On a chart, this looks like a sharp upward curve, but in reality, it means lost livelihoods. With job security in question, consumer behavior shifts dramatically. People become more cautious with their spending and focus only on the shoppers often check their bank accounts more frequently, weighing every purchase against their shrinking savings and the uncertain economic future ahead. Economists call this waning confidence. Money begins to circulate through the system much slower than before, further dampening economic recovery efforts. Inside corporate boardrooms, the mood is equally tense. Executives must make difficult decisions about cutting costs and halting future investments. The stock market often serves as a barometer for this anxiety, frequently seeing sharp sell-offs as investors react to negative financial news. Red tickers dominate the screens, while industrial production falls. Factories may slow down their assembly lines as inventories begin to shrink. To combat these effects, governments and central banks step in. They use various tools to stimulate the economy and encourage borrowing. You'll often see news headlines regarding the lowering of interest rates or the announcement of multi-billion-dollar economic stimulus packages. These policies aim to put more money into the hands of consumers and businesses, hoping to reignite the engine of economic growth. It is important to remember that recessions are a natural, though painful, part of the economic cycle. They don't last forever. History shows us that the cycle always continues, from growth and peak to recession and trough, followed eventually by a new recovery. By understanding these signs, we can better prepare for the challenges and navigate the eventual return to prosperity. Thanks for watching!